The most delicious, creamy and lemony chicken and rice, all in one pot. Under 30 minutes. Hi friends, today we are making the ultimate one pot, creamy and lemony chicken bowl. Cozy, high protein and everything cooks in the same pot, even the rice. It ticks all the boxes. One pot, high protein, minimal cleanup and huge flavor. Let's get started. Start with about a pound of chicken. Then add salt, freshly squeezed lime juice, grated garlic, chili powder, turmeric powder. Marinate well. You don't need a long marinade. Even 5 minutes gives great flavor. Heat a pot with 1 teaspoon of oil. Fry the onions until golden brown. This step is very crucial for building the taste. Now add the rest of the vegetables. Here I am adding chopped bell peppers and frozen mixed vegetables from Costco. Now I am going to add ginger and garlic paste. They are going to create a magic to enhance the flavor. Now add your chicken and brown it for just a few minutes or two. Let's add the spices now. Turmeric powder, chili powder or paprika powder. I like it spicy, but you add according to your taste. Coriander powder and cumin powder. Sauteing them in oil brings out their natural flavor. Now for the creaminess, I am adding 1 cup of coconut milk. Add 2 cups of water in the same bowl and mix everything together. And now for the best part, the rice cook in this tube. I am using basmati rice, but you can use any rice, brown rice or even quinoa. After 5 minutes, I am adding Kaffir lime leaves. They gives the stew the most fresh citrus fragrance. I got them from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description if you want the same ones. After 5 minutes, open the lid and cook for another 5 minutes. Once the rice is fluffy, add freshly chopped cilantro and lime juice. This is easy, one pot, and so comforting, perfect for weeknights. But honestly, so elegant, it could be the star of any dinner party. As I plate this, I feel like you can already smell that bright lemony aroma. The rice is so fluffy. The chicken is unbelievably tender. This one pot meal looks simple but tastes restaurant level. Mm. Oh my god. Coconut, lemon juice, and spices together. You need to try this. This is so comforting, healthy, high protein, and easy to make. And it's absolutely batch friendly. Make it for dinner and pack it for next day's lunch. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Till then, stay happy, healthy and positive. Bye bye.